Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure so go support the EP. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning upon the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, I don't know. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. No viewers and subscribers, recently the teacher make a statement in our track slated to be released soon and very soon. Shop down, big up yourself. The teacher said, you know why the youth write with pencils and adults write with pen? The mistakes of the youth can be erased. No, the mistakes of our government cannot be erased, viewers and subscribers. As a matter of fact, they are well documented. And now, Member of Parliament for East Rural Centre to Joliet Holness, yes, wife of Andrew Holness, is now, viewers and subscribers, accusing the Public Accountants Committee of consulting with the media, viewers and subscribers, to discredit the current government. No, the corruption is clearly packing up on them. We're gonna hear what go on, and then we're gonna continue the reasoning. Listen.
I was flabbergasted when I got out of PAC chairman and realized that the media called you and you rudely indicated that we have an objection to inviting the internal auditors. I was shocked and I was very disappointed, because it means I can't trust you as a chairman. So I was shocked that behind our back as the chairman, you would take us not responding to an email as an indication that we are in objection and we do not support. And you need to stop it, Mr. Chairman, because very often a message is sent to the media which goes to the public that betrays all honesty, the circumstances, and then we are forced to live with it. If you do it again, Mr. Chairman, we are going to insist that only at the meeting, which is what is required, we make our decisions.
That is my point. And I must tell you, I take strong offense to what Member Holness has said about me conspiring with the media and going behind the back of the committee to conspire with the media. I take strong offense to that. An email was sent out, 2 people responded in time. Member Charles responded after, right? I brought the matter to the committee approved. I did not, I don't control, hold on, I don't control what the media reports, I don't control what the media reports. And I take offense to any suggestion that I tell the media what to report.
Yes, viewers and subscribers. Now this issue was triggered by the concerns regarding the ministry's internal accounting process, which was highlighted by the Auditor General Pamela Monroe Ellis. For those not in the know, billions of dollars are still going missing. Nothing has changed except maybe the ruling party, but the tactics are still the same. Now, it's interesting that she said the media. Now, she was saying the written media. However, we know this for a fact. Pressure, viewers and subscribers, is now being applied to the system, being that in this day and age the concerns of the citizens have shifted from just we want roads leading to nowhere, most people don't own a motor vehicle, to now we want jobs. We are concerned with how our money, tax dollars, are being spent locally. We are concerned with our judicial system, how the court handle their proceedings. Walk on with these different ministries. That's why in these recent days we have seen a shift. No, we have still not seen any high-ranking official put behind the bars for any of these atrocities against the people. But concern is now mounting, viewers and subscribers. Miss Holness is saying that In truth and in fact, she does see the severity and the fact that when these things are highlighted in the media, viewers and subscribers, it prompts strong response from the powers that be. The teacher pointed out. People have more power than the people in power if only the people would think. What do you think? We want forward out and I make this press conference and I try to address the matter, even going as far as to say, and this can be considered as take it for what it is. She went on to say the chairman should note that votes will be restricted to the floor should he, as she terms it, betray the trust of the committee again by telling the people what is taking place behind these closed door meetings. A desert reach, viewers and subscribers, a code of silence. Them want to have a code of silence amongst our government officials. These are people that we elect. Yes, in her case. For others, it is a job that they have studied for, go to school for, and they not receive that. With not wife in the position, but receive that promotion. And now she say no, there should be a code of silence for how we deal with and handle public affairs. Then why are there public affairs if the public should not know about them? I want to know that these are important matters. These are the same people who use dancehall and then demonize dancehall. The teacher want about them. The teacher want in a numerous tracks. Some of us say big up Vybz Kartel who continue to put the gems in music. Who continues to put the gems in music, especially in the songs where the people that consider primarily about, this track is going to be titled Hustler. And people that primarily think about making the money and those, very smart wordplay and making money. But him also educate the youths at the same time. There's no sense. Well, I can tell you that. You can believe what you will. But having money does not compensate for lack of knowledge. Majority of individuals who gain wealth with lack of knowledge either lose that wealth or contribute to the downfall of any state that they're a part of. Think about it. Think about what go on when the youth them start get the dollars in a certain parish. We're not going to talk. And the crime and violence increased instead of the upliftment of that said parish, because the thought process was not there. Only the few, and big up the few, were still do them thing today and are still living lavish, because those were the few who had vision. But those without it, well, we know them story. It has been well documented, it has been televised. The viewers and subscribers, if you hear the soulness are found out, it is not shocking. As I consider what she's saying as damage control. Just the fact that this is something that now has become something that is public knowledge, a topic of people are talk about, a whole heap of billions. Think about it, billions of dollars and a little bit of money. Especially do you know what take place worldwide right now, and how much budget cuts and how much people are fear. You know what I mean? I work more hours with less pay, and this is still taking place. Cause for concern. Talk to me, man. A cause for concern, viewers and subscribers. I see it, we have the voice notes there. Talk to me. Tell me how you feel. You know what I mean? Definitely interesting moment in a dancehall music right now. Yes, some people are asking about Tommy Lee's part of situation. No updates on that. But, we're gonna mix. We're gonna make some talk and see if, we can get any info on that. And we're gonna, package and present that to the fans. People concerned about it as well. We got part of the people who continue to put out the video them on the music. Yes, continue to support dancehall music, viewers and subscribers. And here is why it is important to support dancehall music and support your culture. The powers that be are telling us that the music is degrading our culture and not celebrating our culture. While only musicians and fans and lovers of musicians are not the island, we are the only ones who promote our island. Think about it. It is Jamaicans who have traveled overseas that inspire other foreigners to travel here. It is the music that we bring with us that they eventually become fans of and lovers of, that inspire them to want to visit the country which, where that music is from. It was never the leaders and the powers that be that inspired international recognition for our culture or our music. It was we, the fans and the musicians and those who are practitioners of the culture, whether they are, dancers, musicians, whether they are painters, everybody within the arts help push the culture, whether it is literature, whether they are writers, as in Vybz Kartel case, being a writer, an entrepreneur, an artist, a producer, big up my teacher. But it has always been our musicians and our entertainers that have celebrated and pushed our culture worldwide. Do not listen to these same individuals who will see millions of dollars going missing and people telling the public about it and then tell them that there should be a code of silence regarding affairs in parliament. Don't tell with that. No, not tell with that. You are officials elected by the people. The people need to know what going on. Talk to me in the comment section to know if you concerned about what take place in your country. If you feel like the media in this day and age is bringing more awareness of what is taking place, and if you feel like the system is now under pressure for cross the T's, dot the I's, and right the wrongs that they have been doing for years now, decades upon decades, are the same slackness. Different people, same slackness. Different party, same sad song. Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. But I said the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon, the drop a like on the block, my like, the share icon is also in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7, never locked yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Them are not move settings fam. I wouldn't need no ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours is of course from the live, love and prosper until the reason again.